morning. Good morning. Good ba ang morning nyo? Ayan. Hello from my physical store dito sa Pasig. Teka, i-ano siya. Meron akong... Hindi, kunin mo. Para makita nila yung store. Ayan. Good morning. This is our physical store. I think pwede mo siyang i-ano. Teka. Tanggalin mo na lang ito later. Good morning, good morning. Ayan. Hello from... Chinen. Hello. Hello, Tech. Hindi, ano lang, biglaan live lang. So, we'll just let you know na open ang aming physical store from Tuesday to Sunday dito sa Pasig. This is where all our products are available. Naririnig niyo naman ako. Medyo kami sa tabi kami ng street. So, it's a bit noisy. So, medyo noisy siya kasi we are by the main road along C. Raimundo. So, kung gusto niyo makita yung exact, naririnig niyo ba ako? Kung gusto niyo makita yung exact location, i-type niyo lang sa Google, MCC Pasig. So, MCC, Maricar's Chocolate Cake. MCC Pasig. Tapos, lalabas yung pinaka-location din. O, pinaka-location. Bakit ba? So, yun. Ito siya. It's a very humble booth. Very simple lang siya. Teka ha, ano ba problema nito? Madami yung nangyayari behind the scenes. So, wait lang. Teka, ito ha, wait lang. Wait. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, salamat sa pagsabi na naririnig nyo ako. So, ito siya. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, all you need to do is type MCC Pasig onto your location and then you will see, yan. Makikita nyo to. Itong yan. Ito yung tsura ng booth namin. So, wala pa siyang sit down, but you can definitely pick up your order here. Pwedeng self-pick up, pwedeng Lalamove or Grab or whatever ride-sharing, courier app na favorite mo. Yun, mag-pick up lang kayo dito and pwede rin walk-in, pwedeng cash payment, pwedeng Gcash. Asa yung Gcash na? Wag na. Pwedeng Gcash, pwedeng cash payment, pwedeng walk-in. So, kung trip nyo lang, dumaan dito, pwedeng-pwede, we will welcome you. Hi Ange, merong parking and JPay Go 14, meron siyang Grab food. If you are in the Pasig area, kasi di ba yung Grab, meron siyang delivery radius. So, baka hindi lahat ng areas ng Metro Manila sakop. There's like a 6-kilometer, hihirapan ako. Ang layo kasi baka hindi nyo marinig. Ayun, so there's like a 6-kilometer delivery radius. So, kung hindi kayo pasok doon, so I think from Pasig, ang init, no? From Pasig, I think pwedeng umabot ng Taguig. So, if you're more than 6 kilometers from Pasig, hindi pa ata aabot. But we also have a store in QC na nasa Grab din. So, you just type in, Maricar's Chocolate Cake sa Grab app nyo. Tapos kung lumabas kami, then yay! Ayan, order na. So, yun. Pwede yun, ora-orada. Basta, just go through the app. Okay na yan. Yun. Wala pa po kami sa mall. Ano lang po kami dito, sa Pasig. So, pick-up point naman siya. It's really a physical store. So, you can just come here. You can just, pay by cash or whatever. Gcash, okay lang. So, yun. Uy, hello, Mitch K. And then, ayan. Meron ba kaming sugar-free? Wala kaming sugar-free cakes, but we have food. So, meron kaming beef noodles, and meron kaming chinitoyo. That's like super nakakabusog. Ayan. So, kung hindi kayo mahilig sa matamis, meron din kaming food options. But our cakes are actually not too sweet. Yun yung usual comment sa amin. Yung cakes is not too sweet. So, I hope you'll try it. Kung sugar talaga is a problem for you, share the calories na lang. Ako kasi parang parang, ako lang, usually yung mga fake sugars, they actually have, some of them, a lot of them, have extra chemicals that are not, hindi siya natural. So it's generally also not a good idea to always eat these things. So yun. Ingat-ingat. Ayan, Mitch K, BGC area. Actually, abot yan ng Grab Food. May mga customers kami who are staying in BGC and they order through Grab Food. So, Mitch K, I hope you can try that. So, kasi wala pa kaming physical store in BGC, but we're actually kinda near BGC. So, yon. So, that's it for my quick live. I hope I'll see you guys here. Magkita-kita tayo dito if you can drop by dito sa aming physical store. So, Shabeb, yes, we have in QC. Meron Shabeb. May cakes kami in QC. So, just type Maricar's Chocolate Cakes onto your Grab app and hopefully lalabas kami. Ayan. Hello sa aming reseller, Maricar's Chocolate Cakes Cavite. If you also want to know kung saan ang mga resellers namin, just go to Maricar's Chocolate Cakes on IG. Ang ingay, no? O siya. Meron din kami Parañaque area. We have Maricar's Chocolate Cakes Alabang. So, XUIGO1197. Meron kami sa Parañaque. Just search on IG, Maricar's Chocolate Cakes Alabang. Ayan. I hope you got that. Super nice sila. Sobrang bait nila makipag-usap. So, ayan. Ang lapit ng mukha ko. O siya. Good morning, and I hope you guys have a great day. I hope to see you here in our physical store. So, ingat-ingat kayo.